Alright guys, so let's just say you're in a job right now. You're doing this on the side, you're for a little bit of extra money, you're not really doing it. But you want to boost your profits. So you can't really do that until you make money. So you have to be an all-around money-making machine until you can start making your salary trading stocks. And once that happens, put in your 2 weeks, take your last few paychecks, boom, you're there. Very short video, but this is how it needs to go. So first, you're learning. 2-month period, you're learning still. You're just trading like not that much. Like maybe let's just say you're trading $1,000. You're trading it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Then you get up. Then you lose a little bit of money. You gain a little bit of money. And then after you get past 10% of where you started, that's when you can move up to the second stage. I talked about this. Trade different stocks, boost your profits even more. Continue to do that and continue to do that, continue to do that until you can make your salary on trading stocks. And once that happens, you can put in your 2 weeks and you're good. But then after that, you're going to notice that your profits are going to be staggered for a little bit. So you might want to have a little bit of cash reserve because it's a mental thing. If you say, I'm going to go do this on my own, that will be really, really rough. All right? So, yeah, you just have to be on the game. You have to be in the game almost 100% of the time. And you can't ever, like, get through anything. Oh, that's really disappointing. Oh, so I'm just gonna talk real quick. I took a trade on SQQ today. I was betting it going down. I saw that went up a little bit. I sold, and then it went straight back down again. And now I could have made like 400. Nope, 130. No, $143 so far. So yeah, you just gotta be on top of it. You have to have inner confidence that you can do it and still continue to do it. All right. I recommend practice, 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 and the only way that you're going to get that is through TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform. It is guaranteed one of the best platforms for very, very good traders. If you're a very, very good trader and you understand how to use Thinkorswim, that's when you know that you can trade, all right? So, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful to you. See you later.